I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking prerequisites. Use an administrator account and make sure Windows has recent updates installed. Open Task Manager and restart Windows Explorer to refresh the shell. This often restores Start quickly. If that fails, run the System File Checker now. Open an elevated command prompt, type sfc/scano, and let it complete. Once done, make sure you reboot before deeper steps so Windows applies fixes, and you know whether the simple measures solved the issue. Next, you run component repairs. Open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt and run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix Windows image corruption. After that, re-register Start by running the PowerShell command that reindexes and reinstalls Start components for your user profile. This corrects missing app registrations. If Start still fails, create a new local admin test account to determine whether the problem is profile-specific. Make sure to note errors shown. Those inform the final. To finish, try a system restore to a point where Start worked. This reverts configuration without losing personal files. If that's unavailable, perform an in-place upgrade repair using the Media Creation tool to reinstall Windows while preserving apps and files. As a last resort, back up your data and use Reset or a clean install. Those reliably resolve deep corruption. If problems persist after these steps, one key troubleshooting tip: test hardware health. Failing drives or RAM can produce intermittent start failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.